Hello everyone, welcome back to the Java course 2023. In this video, we will learn about the loops. So before we discuss about the concept of loop, let's understand with an example why we need the loops in the programming language and what is its importance. So suppose someone says you, okay, you know programming about, you'll say, yeah, I know because I have learned several concepts in programming in Java. So can you print the table of 5 in this format? So the format it gives you 5 into 1 equal to 5, right? So if you try to print this, it will come in this format, right? That's an easy thing. And then you will ask till what or till how much you at what point we have to print the table of 5. So one can specify that print the table of 5 up to 10. So you can do that. That's very easy, and you will just copy paste it. So copy paste like this, then change here 2, change here 3, change here to 10, and change here to 15, and so on, right? You know the table of 5 very easy. Someone says then, can you print this table of 5 till 100? Now things start to get a bit boring, but you say, okay, I can do that, not a problem, and you still do that if you are a very energetic person. Now the demand comes that print the table of 5 till 1000. Now here you definitely will get irritated because you will say back that this is a very stupid and lame thing you are asking me to do, and I'm not gonna do this whole copy paste thing. I'm a software engineer. So your frustration is justified, but in Java programming language, there is a concept of loops which can help you settle down this problem statement. Okay, so let's understand about this first type of loop, which is for loop. Now, for loop has a syntax which contains three statements. The first is initialization, second is condition, and third is increment decrement. So initialization is basically to initialize a variable. We initialize the variable so to keep a track of how much our loop is completed, or how much to keep track of loop, and to check the condition whether to further execute the loop or to come out of the loop. Okay, so that's the purpose of initialization. So suppose, let's understand by example. We write int I equal to 0 or 1. Let's print the table of 5 from 1. Then you say, okay, we have initialized from 1. Now you want to print till 10, suppose. So you will say, okay, I should go till 10. So the condition will be, now condition is in true or false. So for true and false, we can use this relational operator, which gives us either true or false. Okay, now our value of I is 1, and we want our I to go to till 10. How do we do that? We need to increment. So we will do I plus plus. I plus plus increments I by 1. You can increment it by 2, 3, 4, as many times. But for doing that, you have to write like I plus 2, like that. Okay. So for 1, we have a shortcut. We can use increment decrement operator. We discussed in the operators video. So, and then you can write this syntax or this format, that is ask I, and then again plus. Using string concatenation, you can easily do this 5 into I. Okay, that's easy. It is. Now if you try to run this, you'll get the table of 5 till 10. Perfect. If anyone says to go till 100, just make the changes in the condition and run again. it will go till 100. If you want till 1000, make it 1000 and run again. In seconds you are getting the table of 5 and the work is done, right? So the task that was so boring, so stupid, is now very easy because of the use of the loops. So that's how, or that's the importance of loop, to reduce the repetition of any task, okay, or to automate a task which you have to do again and again. So how for loops work? Initially, it goes into first initialization. So it goes into this statement and see that, okay, I have to initialize a variable I equal to 1. Then it checks the condition. This is for the first time, okay? So first time it first initializes it, then checks the condition. If it is true, then it goes down inside the loop and execute all the logic that is written. Then it increment and decrement here, I plus plus or I minus minus, whatever you write it there. It changes the value of I and then check for condition again. Then goes inside the loop, then execute all the code and then do the same process again and again. So that's how the for loop executes. Okay, so this is all about the for loop in Java. There are various types of for loops also. In the upcoming videos also we will learn as we go on. So the second and third type of loops are while loop and do while loop, which we will discuss in the next video. So this video is all about for loop. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.